How are you? Today we'll solve April tests from lesson 7, unit 10 to lesson 4, unit 12. Look at with me about question number 1. Letter E. If the point negative 1 and 3 moved 2 units to right and 4 units down, then the new point is what? Okay, we have this rule in this example. We have x and y. The conversation here, he tells us moved units to right. It's meaning x will be x plus 2. Moved to the right, it's meaning e2 in x-axis. Understood? Moving to right hand side by 2 places, we must e2 to the value of x. And 4 units down. 4 units down here, it will be negative 4. Then we must write here y minus 4. Understood? Down, it's meaning negative. Up, it's meaning positive. Right, positive. Left hand side, negative. Okay, then he give us the point here was negative 1 and 3. We must do the rule. He tell us in the example, move the 2 units to the right. 2 plus negative 1. Write negative 1 here plus 2. Okay, and write 3 here, negative 4. Okay, understood? Then the image will be negative 1 plus 2, it will be 1, and 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. Understood? Then the point will be 1 and negative 1. Choose letter C. Negative 1 plus 2, it will be 1, and 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. Okay, understood? Choose letter C about this example. Next question. Question letter B. 45% plus 0.55 equals space. He wants to find the result. We know 55/100th, it's meaning 55% because the point here after 2 places. And we have 45%. We must eat them. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 and carry up 1, 6 plus 4 equals 10, then the result will be 100%. The area of the opposite trapezium, okay, to find the area of trapezium you must know the rule. The rule of area of trapezium equal what? Half the sum of 2 bases, long base and smallest base. We have 10 centimeter and here 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We can write 10 plus 6 reduced by the height. Write half reduced by 10 plus 6 equals 16 reduced by 5. Half of 6 it will be 8. 8 reduced by 5 equal 40. Okay, you can solve by this method or another method. Okay, I will explain another method. Another method, we can divide this trapezium to parts and then find area 1 and area 2. To find the area 1, we have rectangle. The area of rectangle equal length times width. 5 reduced by 6 equals 30 square centimeter. And area 2, we have here triangle. It was 10. Subtract by 6, it will be 4 centimeter. And it's opposite this 5 centimeter. Area 2, right, half reduced by 4 reduced by 5. Half of 4 equal 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 square centimeter. Then the total area will be 30 plus 10, it will be 40 square centimeter. As you like, we can solve by this method or last method. Next example. The area of triangle equal half times base times the height. The area equal half times base times height, or base over 2 times height. Okay, we call this base and this height. And the area of triangle, half of the base times the height. Question letter E. If the price of a shirt is 200 Egyptian lira, then 0.5% of its price, 0.5% it's meaning what? 0.5% of its meaning multiplied by 200. 0.5% meaning 1 over 2 divided by 100 product by 200. We must convert from division here to multiplication and write the reciprocal about 100. It will be 1 over 100 product by 200. We know 1 times 1 equal 1 and 2 times 100 will be 200 product by 200. Cancel them, the result will be what? 1. The result will be 1. Choose letter C about question letter E. Next example, complete. The image of the point spaced by reflection across y-axis 0 and 5. Okay. Look at with me about this rule. It's the rule about find the image of what? Of y-axis. To find the image about y-axis, you must put y here, exactly y, and change the sign of x. Okay, image of y-axis, put y here, and change the sign of x here. It will be negative. So he give us, in this example, he want to find what? The image of the point what? He give us the image, okay? It's the image, okay? It's the image. He give us, in the example, the image of the point what? By reflection y-axis is 0 and 5. We have 0 and 5. The image of the point what? We want to find this point. Then the image will be 0 and 5. We must write y here, write 5. Don't change the sign of y. And write negative x, 0, non-positive and non-negative. Then we must write 0 here, okay? It's the result, 0 and 5. Understood? It's the rule about image y-axis. We must write the second order of the projection and change the sign of the first projection. But 0, non-positive and non-negative. Then we must write 0 and 5, 0 and 5 here. Next question, from the opposite double number line, find the value of x plus y. Okay, look at here with me. We have two number line here, first and second, and we must divide it into equality parts here. It's opposite, okay? This point opposite. Here we have 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, to going to 100%, okay? And we have here x and 10. He give us 10, 20, 30, 40. No, he give us 50. 50%, the opposite of it was 40. And opposite of 100, it was y. Okay, he give us here x and 10%. And we have y with the total. Y reversed with the total. And we have 100. And we have 30. 40 is the 50%. Who can tell me 50%? We have the part 40. Look at with me about this triangle. We have here part, it's the rule, okay? Part and the whole number, okay? And here the percent. The whole number here was y, and he give us 40 and 50%. You can solve the example by this method. Look at the table. We have here the part. The part here was 40, right? 40. Okay, understood? 40 is the part. 40 is the part. We want to find the total. Total here, total number, or the whole number was y. Y reverse to the whole number. And the percent here was 50. To find y, you must divide it 40 by 50%. Then the value of y equal 40 over 50%. Write 40 divided by 50%. Okay, and then y will be equal 40 divided by 50%. It will be 50 over 100. Cancel 0 by 0. And then write 40 product by reciprocal about 10 here over 5. Reciprocal about 5 over 10, 10 over 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2 times 40, it will be 80. Then the value here, it will be 80. It's a total number. Okay, and here, we want to find the value of x. To find the value of x, here we have the total 80. 80 divided by 10, it will be 80 divided by 10 parts. We have here 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 80 divided by 10 parts, it will be 8, right? 80 divided by 10, because we have 10 parts here. We have here 10 parts, okay? Right, 80 divided by 10 parts, the value of each one, it will be 10. 80 divided by 10 equal 8. Then the value of x here, it will be 8. Then the sum of them, it will be 80 plus 8. He won't find, in this example, he won't find what? He won't find x plus y. X was 80. X was 8. And y was 80. Then the result will be 88. Understood? Again, to find the value of y, here you can write 40 divided by 50. 40 divided by 50. 40 divided by 50. Okay? Or you can write here 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Then here 8. 8, 16, and so on. 8 or 8 times 10, it will be 80. You can find the value of y by write 8 times 10, it will be 80. It's very easy. Don't using this method, okay? You can using another method to find the result. We have a lot of solution. We have a lot of method to find the result about this example. Okay, first you can using this method, or you can write 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Then x equal 8. To find the value of y, we have 10 parts, 8, 16, and so on. You must write 8 product by 10 equal 80. Then x plus y equal 88 in one step. Okay, it's a very method. It's very easy to find the result by this method. Okay, this is the next question. Parallelogram whose base length 8 and its centimeter, its area is 40, then the height equal space. We have parallelogram. It's parallelogram, and base was 8 centimeter, and corresponding height, I want to find corresponding height here. If the area was equal 40 square centimeter, we know the area equal base times the height. He give us the area was 40, base was 8, product by the height. Then the height will be 40 divided by 8, it will be 5 centimeter. Question letter D. 2.5% of 1 kilogram of its meaning product. 1 kilogram equal space gram. We know 1 kilogram equal 1000. Then we write 2.5 over 100. It's percent. Product by 1 kilogram, it will be 1000 gram. And cancel double zero by double zero. Then 10 times 2.5, it will be 2.5. Move the point right hand side by one place. And the result will be 25 gram. Next question, letter E. From the opposite figure, if the distance between A and B is 100, then the value of x equal what? We have 0, A, B, we have 200, and the distance between x and E was 100, then the distance here, it will be 100, okay? Because the total distance 200. 200 subtracted by 100 equal 100. And the value of x equal x here equal 100, okay? 0, 100, 200, okay? Question number 3. If the height of rhombus is 8 centimeter and its area 72 square centimeter and its side length equal space. We have rhombus. Okay, it's the rhombus. And the area of rhombus equal base times the height. He gave us the height was 8 centimeter and the area was 72. We know the area equal side or length by the height, right? Base times height, or side by height. He gave us the area 72 and the height was 8 centimeters. In the base, you can write 72 divided by 8 equal 9 centimeter. Next example. Question letter B. There are 25 pupils in a school. The total number was 25. Right, here's the total. Okay, the total was 250. Okay, 250. 15 pupils is a part. The part was 15. Were absent on a day. Find the percentage of the absent. Percentage of the absent. To find the percentage of absent, you divide this number here, 15 over 250, product by 100 over 100. And then you can write 15 over 250 product by 100 all percent. And then you can cancel 0 by 0 and the result 15 times 10, it will be 150 over 25%. 150 divided by 25, it will be 6. Then the result will be 6 because 6 times 25 equal 150. Then the result will be 6%.